There are other elasticity as well, like elasticity of income elasticity of demand, or others. So our today's focus is, or I think the chapter focus is only on elasticity of demand. Okay, so price elasticity of demand is a measure of how much quantity demanded of a good respond to changes in price of that good. In simple sense, how much change in price causes change, how much change in price causes change in quantity demanded. How much in number terms? How much dollar change in price causes, how much units change in quantity demanded? Since we are talking about price elasticity of demand, so there is automatic or obvious relationship of negative. We know that if price increase, quantity decrease. If price decrease, quantity increase, right? If the question is there is a dollar increase in price, then question would be how much in units decrease in quantity demanded. So if there is dollar decrease in price, then how much units in quantity increase. So there is a natural embedded feature of negative sign here. So if I omit this sign here, because we are talking about price elasticity of demand, and there is a negative relationship between price and quantity demanded, right? Even if the question says answer is 2, you understand that increase in price 2 causes decrease in number of units, like this one. So if I write negative or positive, it doesn't make sense. Why? Because concept is negative. So don't just get confused by the coming slides answers. I would be also explaining over there as well. So guys, you understand what's going on? Everyone, please. Gustavo, PD, Mirko, Kiranan. Good. If you feel that okay, there is some confusion, please stop me over there. I would be explaining you that concept over there. So specifically, what's going on? So specifically, the price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded due to percentage change in price. In simple sense, you can say that how much percentage change in price causes percentage change in quantity. That's it. So bookish definition is always very tough. So I'm just giving you the meaning, and you can define in your own words the definition of price elasticity of demand. Simple. Price elasticity of demand, you can derive the definition by looking at the concept. How much percentage change in price causes how much percentage change in quantity demanded. Simple. You don't need to memorize or learn by heart all these bookish definition. You can just derive your own. So when we talk about elasticity, it also means that responsiveness, and responsiveness is always measured in terms of percentage change. That's why we talked about percentage change in price, right? So answer would be in percentage, right? So now we call this demand is elastic if okay, I think I should write. So if there is small decrease in prices causes big increase in quantity demanded. So remember, we are talking about demands, not supply, not equilibrium. So that's why remember that one. So that, you know, discussion over there is over, you know, equilibrium, price and all stuff. We are talking about elasticity of demand. That's it, right? So it means we are more talking about here the law of demand. So if there is decrease in price causes huge increase in quantity demanded. See, you disturb the price, you know, in small levels, and you increase, and you see the increase or decrease in or change, huge change in quantity demanded. It means it is elastic, right? Understand? It means the demand is elastic. Or vice versa. If you increase, there is a small increase in price, and you see a huge drop in quantity demanded, even then this is more elastic. Why? Because you are finding out the change is huge. Small increase in prices causes big change in quantity demanded. We call this demand is elastic. Understand everyone? Mirko, Kiranan, PD, Gustavo. Guys, I need your response. Mirko, Kiranan.
Yes.
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 I'm ready.
Increase in price, in large increase in quantity, so it's more elastic.
If small increase in price causes big change or big increase or decrease in quantity
Okay.
demanded, it means we are talking about, you know, demand which is more elastic or elastic. So I have an example here, that is, see, when the price of cola was 1, what happened? You are buying 4 bottles of cola. What happened if the price is 3? You're saying, forget it, and you even didn't buy a 1. It means there is increase in price and there is, the demand is hugely disrupted. Nobody wants to buy your product. Now, inelastic or less elastic demand. So, the opposite one. If there is a big increase in price and you see a small decrease in quantity, or there is a big decrease in price, the quantity demanded increase small. So it means if there is a huge change in price which causes less change in quantity demanded, it means demand is inelastic. Right? You see here the milk, the price was 0.8. You were buying the 5 milk containers. And if the price is 2.4, look at you are smiling here because price is low. Now you are not happy, but price is high, but still you are buying 4. So quantity demanded is not greatly disrupted, only you just buy 4 rather 5. Understand? So what is the definition of inelastic demand? If there is a huge change in price causes less change in quantity demanded, it means demand is inelastic, less elastic. Now I'm gonna throw a couple of questions. So that is, as a businessman, you want your product to be inelastic or more elastic?
Elastic.
Elastic. PD, Feranan, Mirko. As a businessman, as a seller, you want your product to be inelastic or inelastic?
Elastic, sir.
PD.
Inelastic.
Inelastic. Mirko.
Elastic.
PD is saying true. Gustavo, Piranen, Mirko, you're not following the point here. So let's just talk about that. Here we go. You are a businessman, right? So as a business owner, would you like to earn more profit, or would you like to see the market price increase or decrease? You like that market price increase so that you can supply more and earn more profit. But if your product is elastic, then any small increase in price causing big drop of your demand. So it means you cannot do increase in price. On the other hand, if your product is less elastic, if you increase your price too much, you will see a very small drop in quantity demanded. You would be quite happy. You would be earning a lot of money. On the other hand, if you decrease greatly, even then people just increase a little bit, not more than that. So it's better to increase the price and let go small quantity of demanded and earn a huge profit, rather than the elastic. And can you earn, if your product is elastic, can you earn huge profit? Yes. If your product is elastic, it means a small decrease in price causes big increase in quantity demanded. So you decrease the price, you sell more. When you sell more, you can increase the profit. So in either cases, understanding the elasticity is very important for you and your business. You want to find out that whether my product is elastic or whether my product is inelastic. You want that your product should be inelastic. Why? Whatever the price, my quantity demand is not disturbed. Why? Because if the price increases, nobody wants to buy, nobody wants to drop my product. Why? Because I would see a small change in my quantity demanded. But if my product is elastic, I would be worried about increase in the price. If price increase, I would see huge drop in my quantity. So in that case, how can I make profit? By decreasing the price so that people will buy more and I will be earning more profit. Understand? As a businessman, you want your product to be inelastic. But if everybody wants to have inelastic product, then who is going to be producing elastic products? But this is reality. People are also producing elastic products and also inelastic product. And in both product types, you can earn profit, right? If your product is inelastic, you don't worry about the quantity demanded, increase price, because your profit is going to increase